Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we will discuss about syllabus of NEET 2021. If you want to understand syllabus of NEET 2021, first of all we have to understand new pattern of NEET 2021. If you see the new pattern of NEET 2021, which contain two sections in each subject. See here, physics has two sections, section A and section B, and chemistry has two sections, section A and section B. Then botany has two sections, section A and section B. Zoology also has two sections, that is section A and section B. Section A of every subject has 35 questions. You should write all 35 questions. All 35 questions. There is no choice in section A. But if you see the section B of each subject contain 15 questions. You no need to write all 15 questions. You can select any 10 questions. You can left remaining 5 questions as a choice. Example, if you see the physics section A, there is 35 questions, all you should write. But if you see section B, there is a 15 questions in which you can select any 10 questions. Remaining 5 questions you can leave as a choice. Like in chemistry also there is a 15 questions in section B. You can select any 10 questions. In botany also there is a 15 questions in section B. You can select any 10 questions. In zoology also 15 questions. In section B you can select any 10 questions. What happen if you select all 15 questions? If you select all 15 questions, they will not take last 5 questions. They will take first 10 questions. If it is correct or wrong, they will take only first 10 questions. Hence it is better to select only 10 questions. If you select more than 10, they will take first 10 only. Next, another thing, if you see this syllabus of NEET 2021, section A of physics and section A of chemistry, all section A's, botany section A, zoology section A, all that section A questions you will get from only reduced syllabus. There is a 70% syllabus is there in a theory examination. CBSE deleted 30% syllabus, remaining 70% syllabus you have read for theory examination. Not only CBSE, if you see the different state boards, they have deleted 30% syllabus and 70% syllabus is reduced syllabus. That 70% syllabus you have read for the theory. But the section A's of every subject contain questions of this 70% syllabus only. The NTA will not give section A questions from the deleted syllabus. That is main thing which you have to remember. Hence for section all section A's, if you read that 70% syllabus of physics, chemistry, botany and zoology, that is enough. Then what about section B questions? If you see the section B, in section B you can get questions from the 70% reduced syllabus and from the 70% from the 30% deleted syllabus. 100% total syllabus you have to read for section B. Means they can give section B questions from the reduced syllabus or they can give the section B questions from the deleted portion. But here there is a choice in section B. Hence it is better to focus more on the reduced syllabus. 70% syllabus you should read perfectly. Then apart from that, After that you have to read that 30% deleted syllabus. But you have to give more priority to read the reduced 70% syllabus. Then another point that you have to remember here, actually because of choice, now there is a 200 questions are there in NEET examination, but 20 questions are choice, remaining 180 questions you should do. But for selection of the 10 questions, you have to read all 200 questions. For 200 questions, there is only 180 minutes time. The NTA didn't increase the time duration of NEET examination. The time duration for NEET 2021 is 3 hours only, means 180 minutes only. In that 180 minutes, you have to select the 200 questions. You have to do answers for 200 questions. Hence, you should practice more and more, and you should write the more practice exams, and you have to calculate your time. Then after that you can know how much past you are doing, how much past you have to do all. That is about NEET reduced syllabus in 2021. All the best. Thank you.